Hi everyone, this is Basha from Bay City, Michigan. Welcome to my craft room. Half the craft room is designated for crafting and the other half is for the girls. It's a playroom slash craft room. So whether they want to craft with me or not, they can listen and watch. Everything you see right now, I have handmade myself. And guess what? You're in luck. Subscribe now, and there's a DIY video for every single item you are looking at right now. This is all Dollar Tree with some added bling. I'll show you how to make that. I make a 6-foot gnome, sugar skull wreaths. This is a peacock theme, a groom and a bride. Of course, Valentine's. And then I even have a DIY video on how to use the deco mesh tubes and make your own legs for your wreaths. Why buy them? And of course, the very last DIY was making a towel holder for spring and using all 100% Dollar Tree items. And then a video back is bumblebees with light bulbs. Isn't that cute? Handmade Easter baskets are in 2019. And these Easter baskets are made with Dollar Tree waste paper baskets, Dollar Tree wings. So we have the ladybug theme and we have the bumblebee theme. And then of course my big DIY video from last year was taking the Easter egg last March and creating a honey hive. That became very popular with other channels. So basically everything you see in this room has been hand created by myself. Today's DIY will be about making a ladybug. And of course you have to start with a light bulb that has a wide end here, okay? And then quickly, buttons, fabric tack glue, styrofoam balls, of course hot glue sticks, black, red paint, a primer, and then of course, you know, while your item is drying, you want to cradle it in something, so just make sure you have a piece of foam. Make the hole wide enough so that while your ball dries, it can be cradled. And the first coat we will put on is a primer, and I use the Waverly chalk. So let's get going with this DIY. Grab yourself a cup of coffee, and we will make something really cute. And once again, why buy ladybugs when you can make your own? And they're good size too, because it depends on what light bulb you use. Alrighty. Fabric tack is a real sticky glue, so all you have to do is dab a few little spots here and there, okay, at a time, about 3 to 4 at a time. Take your buttons and just place it right over that glue. It will hold. These buttons are really cute. See? It does dry clear, and fabric tack should last these buttons on this ladybug for a really long time. I'll put some over on here, and then I'll show you how I will use a pipe cleaner, I think, for the feelers, and then what I will use for eyes. And today is March 14th. Okay, you can use stick pins for the eyes or tacks. You can use the buttons, anything you want. Beads, because the foam head will allow you to stick pins and tags into it. I use the black button and a tack. Okay, now you can add a pipe cleaner around the neck, twist it, and then add it to your florals. Add it to a floral arrangement, and then this cute little ladybug can sit in a floral arrangement. Very simple, very easy. I did allow the paint to dry overnight. When you're using gloss paint or the apple barrel paint, give it some time to dry before you start adding the buttons. Okay? Now, if I really wanted to bling her up, Dollar Tree sells dollar rhinestone mesh. I had to think about it for a second. You can place it around her neck, just to bling her up if you want her to be a girl. This is what I did with my dragonfly. See? The Dollar Tree diamond mesh. Bling it up. You can also paint that area black if you want. There you go. There's your basic video today. DIY video. I hope you guys have a good weekend. I know yesterday the President declared national emergency for the United States of America, and I want everybody to stay healthy and safe. This is Basha, sending her blessings out to you and your family, from me and my family. And don't forget to watch all those other videos. You get bored this weekend? Watch another one of my videos. I'll sign off, and I'll show you some final photos. Bye!